In this video, I want to talk about how you can choose the best Shopify theme on your store. Now, obviously, the best one is subjective and it depends on what you're going for and what your goals are. But if you head over to the online store and you select themes, inside of here, you will now be able to choose some themes. So what you can do is you can go to their own store. So you can visit the theme store, or you can import a theme if you bought it somewhere else. But let's just try and go to the store. So once you're on the store here, what you can do is you can look for free or paid ones. Usually the paid ones are a bit better with all the customizations and the setups. But if you want, you can also use free ones. So these are the free ones. So what you can do is you can look for something that matches what you want. So you can see some of these are for clothes and some of these are for others. But if you want, you can of course use clothes for any of these, but usually the ones that are already clothes is the best for clothes. And if you want, you can also do the paid ones and you can see through these. So you just want to select the one that you like the most, and that is the best way to do this. So let's say you have a jewelry one, you can click on jewelry and it will usually show you the best ones for that. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.